Hi guys, this is 2008 Toyota Camry. Today we're going to replace the spiral cable, the clock pins. So, so it's located in here. So we have to remove the steering wheel. So before we start, we have to remove the battery terminal. So we have to remove these plastic clips using this plastic tool. Other one is this side. Turn both sides. You can see the two clips in here. This is a horn switch. Put it like this way in the passenger seat, like upward, there airbags upside, because don't put any tool for that seat. And have two clips and remove it. Normally I mark the steering wheel. And use 19 mid port. And hit the both side. Can slightly twist it. That's a loose. Can So this is the spiral cable. You can see the mark. Two arrow mark like a triangle. This is the the center. Okay, so you have to undo this two covers through bolt. Get my screw gun. So you can see the two marks here. These two we can just turn right side half to, and the left hand we can turn 2.5, all together 5 round in here. This it. This mark getting 1, 2, 2.5. Okay, 2.5 that side. Again, this is half. 1, 2. Okay, this is the center, this is the middle. This side also maybe can turn 2.5. Okay, here 1, 2. The other one is getting half. Okay, all together 5 round we turn, or getting half, 1, 2. So you can see this is the center of the clock spring. So we can now do in here to unplug the one airbag connector. I gotta push this way. What up? One is in here. Okay, now you can see the clip, the flap. Up. There's another one here. Another one in here. 3 claws. This is one connector in the behind of this clock face. That's a steering angle sensor. Okay, disconnect in here. So this is the spiral cable, the clock spin. The behind is this one. This part is the steering angle sensor. This the one is steering angle. So I'm going to do the dismantle of this, the steering angle sensor. You can hear one clock here. This part is the steering angle sensor. This one detect for the where you turn the steering wheel and tells ECU which way you turn, which you go straight or turn left, right. Yeah, you can see the this side. This mark is straight line up. And you can see this two notch the straight. Okay, this, that two notch going to here and here. So okay, put back. You can see the lining start there and here. All good.